children when they listen to my incredibly boring stories.
Boring stories on tape. Recording session. Take number 1.
Once there was a plain boy who lived in a plain house on a plain street. What was that?
It sounded like a hiccup.
That's impossible. I don't get hiccups. They're much too exciting for me. Let's try again.
Boring stories on tape. Recording session. Take 2.
There once was a plain boy who lived. I can't record my boring story like this. No one will be able to understand what I'm saying.
Maybe we need to take a break. I'll put on some music.
That's perfect, Nina. Turn it up a little.
Oh, there's probably nicer music than that to listen to on the midnights. Let me find another radio station.
Do you have a situation that needs imagination? We can solve
Hey,
any
it's the
problem.
Imagination
Oh,
Movers.
come by
This must be their
anytime.
new radio commercial.
Wonderful.
Problem solved.
Let's go see the movers. They can solve any problem. They'll know how to get rid of your hiccups.
But there's exciting. I'm sure my hiccups will go away on their own.
They sound like they're getting worse.
That's nonsense. Fine. We'll go to the movies. But don't get too excited about it.